Come back to your mat. Feet together, slightly together. Hands by your side. We'll sit into chair pose now. Take fingertips to the ground. Sit your hips down. Lift your hands up. Come into a nice strong chair. We usually focus on the thighs. I want you to focus on your core today. Tighten your core. Turn the tailbone down. Whatever you feel in your thighs is a bonus, but keep focusing on the belly. Arms lifted as much as you can. Hold for another 5. Good. Hold 4. Keep squeezing the belly. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. Release your hands. Take position again. This time, on your inhale, you'll come up onto your toes. On your exhale, you'll sweep your hands slightly back. Drop your heels down to the mat in chair pose. Okay? On your inhale, take fingertips to the ground, sit your hips. Take position first. Take a breath here. Now on your next inhale, come onto your toes. Exhale, drop the heels, take your hands back. Inhale to lift and exhale to go back. We go for another 6 and down, 5 and down, chest up, 4, belly tight and down, 3 and down, knee should be burning, 2 and down, last one, lift and hold for 3, 2, 1, drop and hold for 3, 2, 1, lift up, shake it. Make your way back to a squat into Malasana. Toes turn out. Hands inside your knees. Lift your chest up. You can sit in button. Yeah, you can sit in button. Sit. Keep pressing the knees open. Keep pushing your knees open. Keep pushing your knees open. Now slowly begin to sway front and back. Sway front and back. Just sway front and back. Lift the heels up. Press it back. Lift the heels up. Press it back. Maybe the hips lift a little and press it back. Keep going for 10, 9, 8, 7, keep going, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sit back in your squat hold for another 3, 2, and 1. Sit back on your hips. Slowly just sit back. Stretch your legs out in front of you. Good. Lie down on your back. Take a full body stretch. Just hug your knees to your chest. We're not done with our sitting postures yet. We're just giving the back a small break. Good. Hug it in, press it down, and then roll back up to a seat. Sit in Dandasana. Stretch your heels forward, toes towards you. Point your toes towards you. Press your heels forward. Lift your hands up towards the sky. Hold. Belly really tight. Tighten up your knees. Tighten up the thighs. Lean in from your lower back slightly. Hold. For another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, lift it up, 5, 4, Almost done. 2, 1. Take your hands back, shake it off. Fold your right leg into the base of your left. We'll take a forward bend from here. If you want to use a strap, you can. If you're using a strap, take it outside your left foot. Make sure your foot is in line with your hip, not out. Bring your right knee slightly forward. The right knee will want to go back so the hips open up. Just make sure the right knee is slightly forward. Thumbs on either side of your leg. Slowly slide forward. Grab whatever is easily accessible to you. Press both knees down. I want you to keep leaning from your lower back. Keep leaning in from your lower back. Keep pressing from your lower back. Keep reducing the distance between the belly and the thigh. Forget about the chest. Forget about your head to your knee. Eventually the nose should touch your shin bone. That's what we're aiming for. So keep pressing the knee down. Pull your right hand slightly more in front. Go down and hold. For another 5. Press down. 4. 3. That's good. Hold it. 2. 1. Slowly come back. Keep the leg as is. Just fold the leg in. Readjust your bottom knee. Bring it slightly more in front. Interlock your fingers around your foot. Chest up. Inhale to lift. Exhale to drop. Inhale to lift. Make sure your knees inside your hands. Knees inside your hands. On your exhale, drop. Yes. Keep going. Breathe and slowly lift. If this feels very easy, take your hands to your heels and lift the heel up. On your exhale, slowly drop. Lean in, lean in, lean in. Don't lean back. Go for another 3, 2, chest up, and 1. Lift, release, stretch, and shake it off. Other leg. Hold your left leg in. We'll take it into a forward bend first. If it's cramping, micro bend. Me has a problem. Click, clack, happens. Bring the foot slightly in. Point your toes towards you. Again, hands on either side of your leg. Slowly slide forward. Grab whatever is easily accessible. Don't push yourself. Whatever is easily accessible, grab it. Bend your elbows out. Begin to fold your stomach in towards your thigh. And keep pressing your left knee down. We're here for another 8. Keep pressing down. 7. Push down from your belly. 6. Only if you have lower back pain, micro bend your right knee. 5. So I'm going to press left knee down. 4. Pull from your belly forward. Belly forward. Look to your toes. 3. That's good. Keeping the core tight. Keep pulling forward. Use your breath. Use your breath. Every exhale, push forward. 2. And 1. Slowly come up. Turn your left foot slightly in. Fold your right leg in. Grab your foot. Inhale to lift the foot up. Push your lower back and your chest forward and then drop down. Don't care how straight the leg is becoming. I want your upper back to be straight. Don't lean back. Keep going. Breathe in to lift. Slide your hands to your ankle or down. Yeah. On your exhale, drop. Lean in. Chest open. We go for another 3. Breathe in to lift. Exhale to drop. 2. Breathe in. Slowly go up. Breathe out to drop. Last one. Lift up. Drop. Stretch both your legs out. Shake it out. Just keep your hands next to your hips. Point and flex your toes a couple of times. Drop your feet side to side a couple of times. And then lie down on your back. Go all the way down onto your back. Take a full body stretch. Take your arms back. Point your toes forward. Tighten your hips and thighs. On your point your toes towards you now. Keep your feet active. Hands can be over your head or next to you, depending on where you want it. Inhale, slowly lift your right leg up and exhale to drop it down. Just the right leg, as straight as it can go. Keep pulling your belly down. Breathe and lift up. On your exhale, slowly drop. Inhale to lift and exhale to drop. Inhale to lift and exhale to drop. Inhale to lift and exhale to drop. We go for another 5 and drop. 4, belly tight and drop. 3, just work with your core and drop. 2, breathe in to lift, tighten the belly, press the hips down. On your exhale, drop. Last one, breathe in to lift. On your exhale, drop. Onto your left side now. Inhale to lift. Exhale to drop. Keep the bottom leg active. Inhale to lift. Don't let the right leg lift. Drop. Inhale to lift. Exhale to drop. Inhale up. Exhale to drop. Keep going for another 5 and drop. 4 and drop. 3 and drop. 2 and drop. Last one and drop. Both legs together now. Inhale, slowly lift both the legs together up and exhale to drop. If you're finding it difficult, slide your hands under your hips, make a triangle. But I want your legs to be as straight as possible. Inhale to lift, exhale, drop. We go for another 8 and drop. Beautiful, belly tight. 7 and drop. 6 and drop. 5 and drop. 4 and drop. 3 and drop. 2 and drop. Last one, drop straight into Setu Bandhasana. Bend your knees, drop for your bridge pose. Hands come to the side of your hips. Inhale, slowly lift your pelvis all the way up to the top, go up. And exhale, gently drop down. Try to lift your pelvis higher up. Now the body is fully active, nice and strong. Exhale to drop. 3 more. Breathe in to lift, stretch up. And exhale to slowly drop. 2 more. Breathe in up. Exhale to drop. So bend your feet slightly in. Last one. Lift up. On your exhale, drop. Open hands out to a T. Bring your knees to your chest. Drop both knees over to your right. Look to your left hand. Pull the knees as close to your chest as you can. Pull the knees higher up towards your chest. Belly down. Belly tight. Shoulders down. Look to your left hand. Shamana, knees higher up. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Yes. You can take your right hand to your left knee. Press it down if you want to deepen your twist. Work with your belly and your chest. Keep squeezing the belly in. Let your chest open up. We're here for another 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, go deeper into your twist from the belly, 2, and 1. Come back through center, drop both knees over to your left side, look towards your right hand. Again, pull the knees as close to your chest as you can. You can take your left hand to your right knee, press it down, look to your right palm, press the shoulders down, hold here for another 8. Squeeze the belly in your twist, let the chest open. Come back to your body. Every time you have your thoughts, every time you're feeling, you're thinking, come back to your body. 6, hold it, hold it, hold your twist, hold your twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to center. Hug both your knees to your chest. Rock side to side. You can take happy baby if that would feel good. You can take any movement that feels good. Whenever you're ready, you can release for your Shavasana. Open out your hands, open out your feet, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out through your nose. And actively feel your body melting into your mat. With every exhale, feel yourself sinking into the ground. With every inhale, feel a little lighter, feel a little more open as you breathe in. Keep focusing on your body and your breath. Your mind, your heart will want to wander. Every time it does, gently bring yourself back to your breath and your body. No reaction, no judgment. Just complete surrender on your mat. Slowly bring back awareness to your body by wriggling your fingers and your toes. Shake your head side to side. Take your hands over your head. Bring your feet together. Very gently take a wake up stretch. You can sigh it out with your breath out if you'd like. Bring your left hand to your stomach. Fold your left leg in. Turn to your right side. Take a moment. Roll into a fetal position. Whenever you're ready, press into your left hand, come up to a seat. Sit with your legs crossed. Bring your hands to Namaskar at your heart center. Release your chin forward and down. Take a moment to go back to the intention that we set for ourselves at the beginning of class. Take a moment to feel gratitude for all that we have, for all that we are, for all that we're able to do. Gently rub your palms together. Cup your eyes. Slowly bring your hands out in front of you and open your eyes into your hands. Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you.
A beautiful day ahead.